Guys, her tree branch fell down and
there's literally wheels!
Holy moly. I'll blur her face on.
Because your mother's afraid of tornadoes. It's always possible. Look at that. The wind is horrible.
It's
Motherfucker, answer my goddamn phone.
We still haven't talked to
But don't talk to me right now. Here's it.
your face! Why are you smiling? Bro, why are you putting there?
Quiet!
We need a mouse! Why can't I see
That was real fast. Now it's like, it's not over, but it's a little bit better for right now. Holy shit. It's bad though.
Is there any internet?
Does anybody answer my fucking phone calls? This is pissing me
It's
off.
the internet!
No, it's not the internet.
Yeah, don't act like a full internet, stupid!
I'm just gonna come up here and go, thanks for not shutting the door. I don't want you upstairs. I didn't say anybody could come out of the basement.
And I need a charger!
Go back down. Hello? Please go back downstairs. I'm trying to call my work. I will be down there in a minute. I don't want to have everybody, then alarms start going off and sirens start going off, and then we're not downstairs.
Charger! You must be on drugs!
Huh, well, by my house it's not. No, okay, bye. Well, apparently it's not bad over there, but it sure as hell is bad over here. Okay, you guys can go back to where you were. Holy shit, somebody's trash can is in our backyard.
Where?
The pink one, right over there.
What the heck? Holy moly. Holy moly, guys. There was literally so much trash in this back of our yard. Clip. Moly. Holy.
Bro, there's literally wheels!
Holy moly. Holy moly, guys. Our car is open. The trash fell out. Holy moly. Guys. Trash fell out. Holy moly. You know Papa's car's open? Moly. Holy.
Bro, there's literally wheels!
Holy moly. Guys, we're wondering what happened, guys. Literally, our neighbor's branch fell down. It was a pretty big branch. There was literally like a tornado, like a mini tornado. It's been like 5 minutes and it happened. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Guys, her tree branch fell down and there's neighbors talking to them from across over here. And she's right over here. I'll blur her face out and stuff. Her tree branch fell down, like her tree. And there was literally like someone's trash can fell all the way over to here. It was like a mini tornado. All of our stuff fell down. Our basketball hoop fell down. We had to pick it up, and the bricks and everything. Like, guys, this is literally crazy. Our trash fell down too, and lots of the stuff. Neighbors are helping them out. They're good neighbors, but yeah, that was crazy, guys. That was the footage you just see. Watch the full video. I hope you guys liked and subscribed. That was a crazy video. Peace. I can't believe there was a mini tornado. Peace.